Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 8th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So the US dollar yen just kept on pushing up today, and that's why this morning on the 1 hour time frame I said is if you don't get a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level, there's no reason to go short. Now in hindsight, we can see that this is just an irregular ABC, or what you probably would call a running ABC. This right here is the 5 wave uptrend. Then you have impulsive down, higher high wave B, and then higher high wave C. Higher high wave B, higher low wave C is a running ABC correction. So I still think there's a pretty good chance this is an ABC correction, but now I would expect it to at least go up to 61% or possibly 78% Fibonacci retracement. So what does that mean? That means on the shorter time frames, I would be looking for longs. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long now, and I don't know if it is going to go down now or keep drifting up. I'm just saying when it does make a pullback, that's where I would be looking to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.